In this video, we'll be exploring the settings in our software. Let's start with the first selection of the settings, and then move on to the admin settings. Click on Admin, and you'll see various options. Today, we're focusing on notification settings. Here are different configurations you can adjust. Click on the Edit button for more detail. First, we look at the SMS notification. When this toggle is on, you'll receive notifications via SMS, including admin and trip notifications. These messages will be sent to users and drivers through the Twilio interface. If the toggle is off, you won't receive notifications via SMS. Moving on, let's talk about email notifications. When this toggle is on, you'll get trip updates and invoices via email, along with any other notifications from the admin. Next, we have email verification. If this toggle is on, the admin can verify the driver's email. If it's off, driver's email verification will not take place. The next setting is for customer mobile number verification. If the toggle is on, customers' mobile numbers will be verified. With the toggle off, this verification does not occur. We apply a similar process for driver mobile number verification. If the toggle is on, we verify the driver's mobile number. If it's off, the verification won't take place. Let's now explore social login options. When this toggle is on, customers can log in using social accounts like Gmail or Facebook. If it's off, this option won't be available. Similarly, we have a toggle for driver social login. If it's on, drivers can use their social accounts to log in. If not, they'll need to use their email address. Moving forward, we have user login using OTP, one-time password. If the toggle is on, users can log in using a received OTP instead of their password. The same applies to the driver login. Next, we have the option for driver biometrics verification. This feature requires biometrics, like a fingerprint or face lock, if the toggle is on. Otherwise, it's not required. Finally, let's look at the option to use Google CAPTCHA, which is only applicable for the web platform. If the toggle is on, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA when logging in or registering. If it's off, this feature will be disabled. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, click on the Save button to update your notification settings. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this guide was helpful to you.